morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn geometry. Let's start. Now we are going to discuss some common terms used in geometry. Shall we go?
It is a point. Point means exact position. It is a line segment. It has two end points. It has fixed length. It is a ray. It extends one direction.
It is a line. It extends both directions.
Types of straight line. Line PQ, horizontal line. Line RS, vertical line. Line AM, slanting line.
Types of angle. There are four types of angle.
Angle means two rays meet at a point. Right angle. Exactly 90 degrees.
What is the meaning of right angle?
Syngonum. Obtuse angle, virigonum, more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Straight angle, exactly 180 degree.
Acute angle. More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree.
Zero angle, exactly 0 degree.
Now we are going to show the angles.
0 degree, zero angle. 70 degree, acute angle. 90 degree, right angle.
140 degree obtuse angle.
Very good.
180 degree straight angle.
Very good.